Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. Open control panel and enable it if it's disabled. This earbud should reconnect with your phone automatically, but on iOS I recommend it to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds, because you don't want to reconnect with the earbuds after you turn on the Bluetooth. Also, you can try to do this on your Android device. Next is to perform a soft reset. So, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. You can check it if you have iOS at the Bluetooth. You have the information not connected. If you have Android in the Bluetooth 4 connected devices, you will see that the earbuds moved from My Devices to Saved Devices, meaning that it's disconnected. And then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect, this time automatically on also iOS device. And on Android it will return to the My Devices, meaning that it's connected. And on iOS you will see this text. Now, if the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. You need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold it until you will see that the LED light on the front side start blinking red, so it's something like 10 seconds. Now press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue, it's okay, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, keep holding this control. And we have it. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. So you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button, so if you haven't, maybe you need to only, like on iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. We need to tap on them, and we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to go to the General Settings. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Reset or Transfer iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. Right here we need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the Network Settings. So tap at this line, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. So I'm going to use stock Android, and some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check part with iPhone to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down and find System. In the System, at the bottom, we have Reset Options. Enter here, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. But it can fix this problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!